in the series of sharing some of the words of wisdom and inspiration, encouragement that my teacher, Reb Chaim Shmuelevitz, gave to his yeshiva during the Yom Kippur War in 1973. And one of the points that he makes is a deeper understanding of what faith means, what Emunah means. We think of Emunah as an emotion, a feeling, but actually Emunah is an energy. Emunah is something you invest in another. It's not just a belief in an abstract sort of a sense. It's a belief in someone, a belief in something. The Gemara says in Ta'anis, Omar Rabbi Ami said, Ein geshamim yordim ela bishvil ba'alei amanah, that rain comes because of those who have faith that it will come. It is that faith which is the energy that, so to say, energizes gods, that, so to say, enables Hashem to make the rain fall. Not that Hashem needs our enabling power, but He chooses to make His goodness, to make His kindness, to make His abundance dependent on the energy we give Him, we bestow upon Him through the faith and the trust that we have in Him. And it's very similar to what you might have with a child, that if you believe in a child, the child will rise to the occasion. If the child really feels from a deep place and an authentic place that you believe in his or her capability and ability to do something amazing, they will do something amazing. As a manager of a team, we know that showing the team that trust, showing the team that belief in them brings out the very best in them, and that is the nature of belief in someone. That is the nature of Emunah. Moshe says to Hashem in a moment of deep frustration in Pashat Ba'alotecha, when he's so frustrated with the people he's leading, and he says, I didn't give birth to this nation. They're not mine, and yet you asked me to bear this nation. Ka'asher yisah ha'omenet hayonek, like a feeding mother bears a suckling child. And there again is the word omein. The root of that word omein is from aim, mother. Somebody who nourishes, somebody who gives nourishment. That word amen that we say after every bracha, that word emunah, it all comes from aleph mem, the word mother, ki nourisher. That is the greatest form of nourishment that one can give. The nourishment that a mother gives to a child by believing in that child is the nourishment we give to one another when we believe in them. And it's the nourishment we, so to say, give to Hashem when we believe in Hashem. And that provides the energy and the power with which Hashem can do the most amazing miracles and things for us. And at a time like this, once again, we have the opportunity to use Emunah, not just in a passive sense of, yes, I believe things will be okay, or whatever. We don't know that things will be okay. Emunah doesn't mean that you can rest assured that things will be okay. We're not prophets. We don't know how things will turn out. But Emunah is, I believe in you, Hashem. I trust in you, Hashem. I trust in your kindness. I trust in your sense of truth and justice. I trust that you will show the world what truth is, and that you will deal with the world and with us as a part of that world in a way that is just, in a way that stands up for that which is truth, in a way that will bring about shalom, that is the essence of who you are, Hashem, in a way that is emet, which is your signature, Hashem, which is truth, that you will ultimately enable the power of truth to vanquish the destructive force, the evil power of falsehood, of lies, of fakeness that we see in the world at the moment. That's the call on us for Emunah, to take our Emunah, to believe in Hashem, to give Hashem our trust, to give Hashem our belief, so that He in turn can perform miracles and wonders for His people and for the world.